Hey everybody, it's Lynn from CNET and I'm here with the new LG V60 ThinQ 5G. It's LG's newest phone that it was supposed to announce at MWC before the tech show got canceled. Anyway, we have it here now and it's a big premium phone that works with this dual screen accessory and it's poised to go against the Samsung Galaxy S20. Now, LG released a similar dual screen device like this before, with the LG V50 and the G8X last year. So it's committing to this design again, but investing more in 5G and other camera features. The V60 has a big 6.8-inch OLED display, and the accessory case basically doubles the screen size. Taking advantage of this feature does require some time to learn, even for me, who already had a chance to use this accessory last year when it first came out. But once you get the hang of it, you can multitask on both screens or expand certain apps across the whole thing, like a tablet. Keep in mind though that there will be a big hinge in the middle and it will obstruct your view. It definitely doesn't give you that same kind of seamless folding experience as a Motorola Razr or the Z Flip. You can also use the case as a kickstand, and like last year's G8X, you can integrate the second screen with a gamepad too. Now that I have some time to digest what I just saw, I will say that the case does add a lot of bulk to the phone, and I'm not really a fan of those ridges. And how exactly the case will be bundled with the purchase of the phone will vary from carrier to carrier. I remember last year for the US, carriers included the case for free, but only for a limited time, so keep a lookout for that. The phone features two rear cameras. There's a standard 64 megapixel camera and a 13 megapixel wide-angle lens. There's also a time-of-flight camera for AR and depth sensing applications, like LG's new native 3D photo effect. This allows you to take portrait pictures with a moving sense of depth. You can also record 8K video and zoom up to 10x. Samsung's latest Galaxy line can also capture footage in 8K, but the S20 and S20 Plus can zoom up to 30x. On the front is a hole-punch 10 megapixel camera for all your selfies. Like I mentioned before, the V60 has 5G. Though 5G deployment kicked off in 2019, more will take place throughout this year and next. So even though you may not have 5G in your area now, it could come later. Other V60 features include a 5 ampere-hour battery, a water-resistant design, and perhaps most standout of all, a headphone jack. Yep, unlike most high-end phones available today, the V60 still has that rare audio port, so you could plug in your beloved wired headphones. LG hasn't announced availability dates and prices just yet, but the company does say that the V60 will be cheaper than the Galaxy S20, which currently starts at $999. Now, whether that means the phone is $998 or $100, we don't know. But since last year's G8X cost about $780, I imagine it'd start around that price or likely higher. For more information, read my hands-on at cnet.com and be sure to like and subscribe and browse our YouTube channel for more tech-related videos.